I am going to present my travel itinerary to place spread by San Andres. Introduction of the place. Spread by Beach or Sardina Bay is the main beach of San Andres, located on the northeast coast and 15 kilometers long. Duration of the trip. The trip will last 4 days, 3 nights. Means of transportation. To head to the beach, you arrive by or by plane, and you can travel around the beach and the sea and aboats are aboats. Activities to do. You can enjoy the habitat, the zoo, and the 4 tours that are the visit to the Blowhole, Morgan Cave, and San Luis Beach, Johnny Cave, and the aquarium. Places to stay. For lodging and the beach, we have took hotels for lodge available. So you can choose the one that best suits you. Hotel Blue Town of Vacation 0.1 miles from Spread by Beach, Portobello Boulevard, 0.2 kilometers from Spread by Beach. Typical foods. The voice has too much typical food. The most outstanding are the snakes, the trout, the octopus with coconut rice, and the breadfruit. Costs. The travel package to play Express by San Andres has a cost of $1,100,000 per person. Thank you.